Hello, I'm Dr. Brian Cole.
I'm Dr. Matthew Provencher.
And I'm Kevin Wilk.
We stand before you as co-chairs for the 21st Annual Sports Medicine course. This is a collaborative partnership between the AAOS, ANA, and the AOSSM.
This course is just fantastic. There's a reason it sells out every year and there's a wait list. We have a high-end faculty that is highly interactive. We have numerous case presentations, panels, and interactive discussions to really take all of our learning to the next level.
So orthopedists, bring your advanced practitioners, your physical therapists, your athletic trainers, and come with a team approach and learn with us.
We've covered topics such as an ultrasound component, shoulder instability, bone loss, elbow reconstruction and arthroscopy in the athlete, the hip, knee, cartilage transplantation, basically all the contemporary topics, including an overview of biologics, the business of sports medicine, and how to get biologics into your practice. The venue uniformly is amazing. That's why this course sells out. We place a premium on the best education, but it's also a lot of fun. There is not an equivalent ski course around.
See you in 2020.